All right. What's going on, Bubba? Happy Father's Day 2025. Welcome back to Beers and Barbecue 911. So, today, as promised, I am doing spare ribs on the Weber Kettle grill. All right. Already trimmed the ribs up, got them seasoned up and everything. Already got them on the grill. And yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. All right. So, there we go. Got them on the slow and sear. Using the slow and sear method today. This is going to be a long day. This is going to be an all day kind of cook, probably 6-7 hours. We'll see. But yeah, so I just started the coals over here on this one side. I got some wood chunks there. That's post oak. So I've got them sit on top of the grates for now. Just let the fire catch up to it and smoke it slowly as it goes across the day. Yeah. So yeah, and I did fill that with water. So yeah, so we're good to go. So that's my spare ribs there. And we'll keep an eye on these and check back in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, let's check on these ribs. They've been going for maybe an hour. Just see how they're looking. Check them out. Looking good. Setting up nicely. You see how I did that post oak over there? It's on top of the grate, so the heat's coming up. It's getting a little light smoke on them. I don't want it too heavy, so it's working out great. So yeah, so looking good. Nice color. So still got a ways to go on these bad boys. So we'll check back in them in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right. So these have been going for about 3 hours or so. I did flip them. They're looking amazing, as you can see. That's just my little chef's kiss kind of piece there that I'm going to nibble on in a little bit. So yeah, these are getting close to done. You see pull back, very nice there. Seasoning is perfect. Yeah, everything's going good. So I'm going to be saucing these soon with my homemade mustard-based barbecue sauce. And then I'll flip them, baste them again, and let that sauce set. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll getting down to the home stretch here. So stay. All right, so I got these flipped, and like I said, I'm just drizzling. I'm just gonna squirt some of this barbecue sauce on there. I'm not gonna go in and like brush it in. I don't want to fuck that up hard too much, but get in there, boy. It's a little messy. That's all right. Just let it go. If you have never had mustard-based barbecue sauce, you don't know what you're missing. Maybe one day I'll do a video to show you guys how it's supposed to be done. Maybe not. Stay. All right. So there they are. It's the finished product. Sauce is set. Turned out really good. Looks really good. Color's great. Again, if you've never had mustard-based barbecue sauce, you really need to find a recipe and try it. It's really good. It's tangy, sweet, gentle, whatever. All right, let me pull these off. I'll cut one in half, show what they look like. Okay, stay tuned.